want one. Hey folks, Tony Hannity's here with Lazy Tech TV, and please disregard the green screen terribleness that I have going on here. And also the colors, I look orange. I look orange. I had to figure it out. When I saw the keynote speech and they talked about the Apple AirTags, I had to get them. I've gone through the title, tracker, a bunch of them, and they were all good in their own right. But the one thing that they had lacking was the fact that you had to be a part of that particular community. And trying to convince a bunch of people, whether they be friends or whatever, to buy into Tile or something like that wasn't necessarily easy. It's not impossible. It's just not easy, right? Unless you give it to them as a gift for, you know, their birthday or whatever. But with AirTags, it was just so simple because it doesn't really matter. If you don't already know, one of the benefits of AirTag is a complete stranger could be walking by your lost item, and as long as they have an iPhone, it'll ping it and you'll get the notification saying, hey, somebody walked by your thing and it's over there. That's awesome. This is not a review of the Apple AirTags. It's not a review of how cool and small and how you can get your own custom design on there, nor is it a review on utilizing the Find Me or Find My AirTag feature on your iPhone. Plenty of videos about that. No, this is me that I just want to do a drop test with the Belkin secure holder with keyring. That's what it's called, right? Secure. Yeah, it's just very simple name. So let's do it. So after dropping it about 7 times, you guys probably saw maybe 2 or 3 of those times, it's still in one piece. Like, the Belkin holder did not break open. And the reason why I thought it might is because the way that the two sides clasp to each other, it really isn't much. Like, when you put them together to lock in AirTag, it's really just a twist. So you just twist it open and you twist it close. And I think because you do have to turn it, it makes it that much more resilient against droppage. I just kind of thought because it is essentially hard plastic that the impact would generate some sort of stress fracture in the plastic itself, that it would just break open on the bottom and the AirTag would come out. Well, it didn't. Now, over time, could this happen? Sure. If we had 6 months to do this test of me being a complete klutz, then sure. But at least for the first few goes. If you're dropping your keys a lot, then maybe get an extra case to protect it. But for most people who are a little bit more responsible with the keys and they just don't throw them willy-nilly, you should be fine if you decide to get the secure holder with clip by Belkin. So if you want to get your own, link will be in the description down below. Also, although I'm having green screen issues here, I do stream on Twitch. It's a little bit more professional than this, and I don't know, maybe I'll still be orange there. I gotta figure it out. But if you want to go check it out, twitch.tv/LazyTechTony. And make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, share with your other Appleites, whatever they're called. And we'll talk to you in the next one. Later.